In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a rule in Gmail to automatically move emails to specific folders. This process is incredibly helpful for keeping your inbox organized and ensuring that you never miss important messages. So, if you're tired of manually sorting through your emails or just want to streamline your email experience, stick around. First things first, open your web browser and head over to Gmail. Once you're logged in, look towards the upper right corner for a small gear icon representing settings. Go ahead and click on this icon. You'll see a drop-down menu appear. Select the option that says See All Settings. This opens up a comprehensive settings menu where you can adjust various options within Gmail. Now, at the top of this settings page, you'll notice several tabs. Click on the one labeled Filters and Blocked Addresses. This is where the magic happens. Scroll down a bit, and you'll find an option that says Create a New Filter. When you click on that, a pop-up window will appear, prompting you to fill in specific criteria for the emails you want to filter. For instance, if you want to move all emails from a particular sender, type their email address into the From field. If you're interested in moving emails with specific words in the subject line, fill in the subject field accordingly. Once you've entered your criteria, hit the Create Filter button located at the bottom right of the pop-up. You're now on the next page where you decide what action Gmail should take when emails matching your criteria arrive. To automatically move these emails to a designated folder, check the box that says Skip the Inbox, Archive it. Then, select the option Apply the label and choose an existing label or create a new one by clicking New Label. Labels in Gmail act as folders, so this is how your emails will be automatically sorted. If you have any existing emails that match this new filter, you might also want to organize them right away. To do this, simply check the box that says Also Apply Filter to Matching Conversations. This ensures that all past emails fitting your criteria are filed along with the new ones. Finally, when everything looks good to go, hit Create Filter to finalize the process. And there you have it. Your filter is now active, and Gmail will automatically move incoming emails according to the rules you've established, helping you maintain a tidy inbox without breaking a sweat. Remember, you can always go back to the Filters and Blocked Addresses tab to modify or delete your filters as your needs change. Experiment with different criteria to find what works best for you and enjoy the newfound efficiency in managing your emails. Thanks for tuning in today, and I'll see you in the next video.